Orafo, mamema wakwaba, emfa umbra GCN page so, midin ede adjoa searchim. Mesrel, subscribe to my channel, founsa mi abe ono so, ube ya notification. Ense me koso o me mubia ube nye bietie, anasa ube nye biashwe ewo GCN page ha. Efia pokia vim lady ena okase, na adofuye ni mse efia pokia yobia, oba journalism working mwache ye papa. Onye politician, but Sefia Pokia eye political analysis. Utumi say yes, nanwa wankasa, or a very intelligent woman. Sometimes Sefia Pokia eye political analysis, and I say all can and same bifa politics who and our politicians who MPP and NDC. Now be koni page as you did in a tema. I am a me the Nipacron or Padrin because Efia Pokia you be or mine say a MPP, a NDC. Oye de enye obeka kire na me pena sem ye papa e wo de oye no ho ye nim se dachi bia oye ni pani onyia na owu kwa ye mbi mu ye beka no because she is very good oboa o man Ghana papa na efia pokua na oka adwen e de a kire ye honorable Osechi Mensa Bonsu so am MP wa ka na adwen de a kire ni papa a wo kire se ena no eye honorable ebe ye interview se 2024 nipa obedi MPP anime no ese se oye ofi northern region intinesem keke mu na opache se eye vice president Dr. Bawumia ene ese se 2024 omode no ebegire mebeye news e wo Ghana hanom na de ade a na ene fia pokua eka eye accident a esisi wo Ghana hanom ya kwanya enye enam so amanfo bi ma memo omo papa omo nuanom omo breadwinners ehro mu nkwa e wa kwanya hodo wo Ghana hanom so a Ghana fo mpanifo eyi omo anu omo so omo hui no efia pokua aka ho asem na oka no obobo Ghana hanom major roads a traffic e wo so a enya asem keto akra eno de nani kirem e wo Ashanti region Kumase from Swame to Makro to Kronom to Afrancho se hia sorry ene bo ho e kwan no say traffic dey be was so papa from 6 o'clock to 7:89 from Swame to Kronom Afrancho bo enya sem keto akra traffic wo kwan so na solution ben na Ghana fo pelefo ebetumi aya fasa traffic ya ekun Ghana fo ho na fia pokua e kan no chese from Swame to Kronom na ni won kan ba no honorable Osechi Mensa Bonsu ni peso aso enti de na o ya fa ho onya hwe de onimi ya ne so obegina radio so na TV so aka say 2024 asumesi no oba politicians ndi omunimi ya ne is about time message so omodwon mo manfo ho papa because accident sisi wo memu no eni ye tan na eni ye nyan ye see 2021 mu accident sisi wo memu enya accident ketwa se ka na hwe ase ene nipa na fa ne ti adidi mpo a ke be fa ne sa ehwe wa nipa 3 4 5 6 ebi 10 12 no mo ahwe mo kwa eyade a eyawre ho sem ye papa a efia pokua ka ho asem a wa o chese ene wa kana dwempa e de a che honorable Osechi Mensa Bonsu se onim kasa anasa onim bibi anasa opedi so ye bibi mo man Ghana ne kwan traffic ebuso ntiro ntwene ni hwe na onye ne yenti ensem efia pokua e de etudwa
got na parliament en shamra therefore ya say yes say nyina yemra no ne de ama just 275 MP say munko shamra to protect ya kanyina
the nation is
and for the reason inti enene ababet na hanum say it remains unacceptable say Ghana ha ka kwan so akwanhia nipa kunkum is the highest say ukofa ka nipa ewu normally BP kum nipa diabetes kum nipa a friend saying a kidney ni ade kum nipa na doctor for crack akokata na saying akosho pass as it na ka malaria nom ne yare sa na kum Ghana for they say BP diabetes kidney ne kum kofo ba udi sa yare miensa ni nyina kan boma en to nipa dodo a omu road accident ba udi ade bia ye wodi efre ansa na ya wodi ekosi ye wana hyase Newton's third law or say action and reaction are the same bibia besi a ewo baby de si na no ansa na asem ni besi so the enti na road accident ekum nipa more than diabetes BP and afa kidney adenti abusa ho sakwa adenti because ya kwan e wo Ghana ha no enhyeda nya papa ene ya perifo koye forum na omo hwe transport sector how ne amane hu na wom chichu ne nipa wuwu ewo transport sector nim no ma beka se solution kese pe be boa ma Ghana ya kwan so problem accident number 1 number 2 frustration atete kwatu ma driver konya accident ene me wo drivers ewo studio me wo mate fo wo studio passenger fo bebrebe join here by telephone ene mun kama sem bieja Ghana fo na mo pa asem so asem na no be here mate me see Ghana fo na mo pa asem so asem no be here wakache media for talk about this talk. We have moved away from that kind of work. Say Ghana for no. We have moved away from shielding yourself and checking your responsibility. Say, yeah, farmer media for the media should talk. Be bold and speak for yourself. Be bold. Ghana for mo na mo select ya buying because ye nim to me kuta yenti. Bibiana media for why you ask this question? Why kwa broche any other countries question? A man for na kasa to me ye protest. We are president come to me bump into your meeting. I'm say, hey, Mr. President, we want A, B, C, D. If it's not possible, the president has to explain to them. And they Ghana had it. Slow. Or can some crowds say, my farm na because if you are medium slow, or they coca, Namina me John me bois. Media many more had me room and in cost me bois. Media me met Beckham. You think said ye power and senke idea. You bet Jaya Kunumini Abusia for you, I bet any kikem. It's because you're poor money here. Sometimes somebody has to be bold to bail the cat. I was so big kukudro. Now, and then I will tell you estimated average time. Ghana for workers, mason for carpenter for, a jody for cotton idea or jump, driver for, ordinary workers, civil servants, so many idea, hairdressers. Time I spending what traffic munkwa. We are killing Ghana. We are killing Ghana. Obia and I just on kokan, and I don't blame media houses or munkano. Because kokan seven here to set traffic situation, road accidents, and nipa ewo, any near me coming no me and Ghana for be jayo. Yes, I could be about on YouTube training Jonas. Yes, was a grass and quan. No one am not more nonsense. Are we serious? Or did you attempt? No. Got tobacco bang and a yaye. Mama yan Ghana some. On what America Gianni taxes or America. Now they out here. Now they would in a G. Who ya alcohol kada because who fat he trotro na taxi. Who bedi traffic mobile 4 hours. Until so far kada. Okada yansu na one here there's a high likelihood so because nobody is regulating the system. World Bank report to be America week the same. As far back as 2010, na car say one crime chroma and one crime. 1.64 million. Car say what and crime kwao 1.64 million. 10 years later, car say what everyone a double cry. Look at the number of cars here can wasem. About 3 million cars just in Greater Accra and Kwao. Kumasi Maye, Takrady Maye, Tamale Maye, Tamamaye, Accra and Kwao 7 year canon. And he said, now 2010. Na say udi traffic mu 1 hour, and udi traffic mu say. And ne udi traffic me say and ne Ghana for one kasa. Mo na mo fa car. Me come there, na me say me come no, I am nobody. Wo na hu here. Let us stop. Ye be di atema will not solve the problem. Mama yem busa yem penny for na ye di taxpayers money. Echu omo esgasha ne say, "Dear na omo ya for your problem no nti number 1 issue. Omo amoti oyibi fra ha eyi adenta oyibi road. Traffic mudim akwan ne nye. Ene na yera Kennedy o say nya akon eyi chairman of Roads and Transport Committee of Parliament echemu say. Problem ni nyina omo hu no. Eye ya kwan na ya 11 no. Ekwan ni we ko na we ba. Uni enam nie. We hwe ne yonko anim. No developing country or pay baby papa ko. And yes, I kwan 101 ko Dubai. Ko UAE. Dubai for ya yes ye ko sua o mu ya. E ma ye be circle Dubai ma ye nyina ye boje so at we de ma ya de circle Dubai wa ye bia me ye no. Dubai for ye nye ekwa huni enam nie. Ghana nko na Accra Kumasi major road it is Accra Kumasi huni enam nie. Enipa ewu wa Accra Kumasi road so because ekwa ne 11 pe. Tema bon runabout pram eba eye friend saying do wenya tema committee 25 ye nua be ma Anthony Kabu deputy minister Rose ebiani asande amani bi ehwa na ote minister Osho Rose and always ye ram kwata tema he is very much aware of that road from pram ebesi tema bon ubedi 4 hours me ka bibia the Red Devils corner me shake up afienya airport residential area na almighty baby and your chembonsam jembe for headquarters aye weja kaswa bonsam headquarters ufi La Paz ansa na be make we kradu awoshi jai na chese 2 hours na we firi wonu makwa kodu weja na chese ansa na wa ba Pokwasi ofanko Pokwasi road ya yeye Pokwasi chese Ghana baby choki na unim na wo humusuo se bia wo firi kaswa be sen kwa Accra Central ene da da wo kwanim me se ne ne driver so monam road no so ne passengers na kasa be kasa wo kodi dwa wa Accra Central de ne you see because ya kwan ne nye na ye nyina ya de se ye nkasa Ghana for ye demonstration ya be demonstration na NDC ni NPP we will not demonstrate because Ghana for na kasa ebu mra so twetete kwachi run about ye Ghana for na ase kasa se perifo ni ABC di no ya kwaji tete kwachi run about about ye se ye pese aton ade ba ye so a the same people ye pese Ghana da ni Dubai ya pese Ghana da ni New York ba baby enu wa be ko was abroad countries here we bon se atonton ne ma ka kwan ho because edwuma ni ho nti and that's